Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a mind-blowing fact to share with you. Did you know that it's actually possible to become a millionaire in just 10 months, starting from absolutely nothing? Becoming a millionaire in 10 months from nothing may seem like an audacious goal, but with the right strategies, mindset, and actions, it can be achieved. This ambitious journey requires careful planning, disciplined execution, and an unwavering commitment to your goals. Here's a comprehensive guide on how to make this extraordinary feat a reality. Step 1. Mindset mastery. Adopt a growth mindset. Believe in your potential. The first step is to believe that becoming a millionaire in 10 months is possible. Cultivate a growth mindset that sees challenges as opportunities for learning and improvement. Embrace failure. Understand that failure is a stepping stone to success. Learn from your mistakes and use them as a guide to refine your strategies. Set clear goals, specific and measurable. Define exactly what you want to achieve. Instead of just saying, "I want to be a millionaire," specify how you plan to accumulate this wealth, such as through investments, business ventures, or other means. Time-bound. Set a strict timeline of 10 months. Break down this period into smaller, manageable milestones to track your progress. Visualization and affirmations. Daily visualization. Spend time each day visualizing your success. Imagine yourself achieving your goal and the steps you took to get there. Positive affirmations. Use affirmations to reinforce your belief in your ability to succeed. For example, "I am capable of creating wealth rapidly through smart decisions and hard work." Step 2. Identify lucrative opportunities. Market research. Identify high-growth industries. Focus on sectors with rapid growth potential, such as technology, e-commerce, health and wellness, and real estate. Trends analysis. Stay updated on market trends and emerging opportunities. Platforms like Google Trends, industry reports, and financial news sites are valuable resources. Leverage your skills. Assess your strengths. Identify skills or knowledge you possess that can be monetized. Whether it's coding, digital marketing, sales, or any other expertise, leverage your strengths to create value. Skill development. If necessary, invest time in acquiring new skills that are in high demand. Online courses, workshops, and self-study can help you quickly gain proficiency. Networking. Build a strong network. Connect with influencers, industry leaders, and successful entrepreneurs. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and partnerships. Mentorship. Seek guidance from mentors who have achieved rapid financial success. Their insights and advice can be invaluable in navigating your journey. Step 3. Launch a high-potential business. Identify a niche. Niche selection. Choose a niche with high demand but low competition. This increases your chances of success and allows you to establish a strong market presence quickly. Customer pain points. Focus on solving specific problems for your target audience. Businesses that address pressing pain points tend to grow rapidly. Create a business plan, detailed plan. Outline your business model, target market, value proposition, revenue streams, and marketing strategy. A well-thought-out plan provides a clear roadmap for your venture. Scalability. Design your business to scale. Consider how you can expand operations, reach more customers, and increase revenue without proportional increases in costs. Bootstrap your business. Minimal initial investment. Start with minimal investment and focus on generating revenue quickly. Use personal savings, borrow from family or friends, or seek small business grants if necessary. Reinvest profits. Reinvest initial profits back into the business to fuel growth. This approach helps you scale faster without relying on external funding. Leverage digital marketing. Online presence. Establish a strong online presence through a professional website and active social media profiles. Utilize SEO, content marketing, and PPC advertising to attract customers. Influencer partnerships. Collaborate with influencers in your niche to reach a wider audience and build credibility. Focus on sales and revenue. Sales strategy. Develop a robust sales strategy that includes lead generation, customer relationship management, and closing techniques. Revenue goals. Set aggressive revenue goals and track your progress. Continuously optimize your sales processes to maximize income. Step 4. Smart investments. Stock market investments. High-growth stocks. Invest in high-growth stocks, focusing on companies with strong fundamentals and growth potential. Sectors like technology, biotech, and renewable energy are often promising. Diversification. Spread your investments across multiple stocks to mitigate risk. Consider using robo-advisors or consulting with financial advisors for expert guidance. Real estate, rental properties. Invest in rental properties in high-demand areas. Rental income can provide a steady cash flow while the property appreciates in value. Real estate crowdfunding. If direct property investment is out of reach, consider real estate crowdfunding platforms that allow you to invest in properties with lower capital. Cryptocurrencies. Research and caution. Cryptocurrencies can offer high returns but come with significant risks. Conduct thorough research and only invest money you can afford to lose. Diversification. Diversify your crypto portfolio to spread risk. Invest in established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with promising altcoins. Peer-to-peer lending. Lending platforms. Use peer-to-peer lending platforms to earn interest by lending money to individuals or small businesses. Ensure you diversify your loans to reduce default risk. Step 5. Income multiplication strategies. Multiple income streams. Freelancing and consulting. Offer your skills and expertise as a freelancer or consultant. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn can help you find clients. Digital products. Create and sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and software. Digital products have high profit margins and can generate passive income. Affiliate marketing. Product promotion. Partner with companies to promote their products and earn commissions on sales. Choose products that align with your niche and have high conversion rates. Content creation. Create valuable content through blogs, YouTube channels, or social media to attract an audience and drive affiliate sales. E-commerce, online store. Launch an online store selling products in your chosen niche. Use platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Amazon to reach a broad audience. Dropshipping. Consider dropshipping to minimize upfront inventory costs. Focus on marketing and customer service to drive sales. Passive income sources. Royalties. Earn royalties from creative works such as books, music, or software. Platforms like Amazon, Kindle Direct Publishing, and YouTube can help you monetize your content. Dividend stocks. Invest in dividend-paying stocks to generate a regular income stream. Reinvest dividends to accelerate growth. Step 6. Financial discipline and management budgeting. Detailed budget. Create a detailed budget to track your income and expenses. Ensure you allocate funds towards savings and investments. Regular review. Review your budget regularly to identify areas where you can cut costs and increase savings. Debt management. Avoid unnecessary debt. Minimize the use of high-interest debt. Focus on using debt strategically for investments that generate income or appreciate in value. Pay off debt. Prioritize paying off existing high-interest debt to reduce financial burden and improve cash flow. Savings and emergency fund. Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Automatic savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts to ensure consistent contributions. Tax planning. Tax-advantaged accounts. Utilize tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs, 401ks, and HSAs to reduce taxable income and benefit from tax-deferred or tax-free growth. Professional advice. Consult with a tax professional to develop strategies that minimize your tax liability and maximize after-tax returns. Step 7. Continuous learning and adaptation. Stay informed. Financial news. Keep up with financial news and market trends to identify new opportunities and stay ahead of the curve. Industry updates. Follow industry leaders and influencers to gain insights into emerging trends and strategies. Skill development. Continuous learning. Invest time in continuous learning through books, online courses, workshops, and seminars. Stay updated on new technologies and market developments. Adaptability. Be willing to adapt your strategies based on new information and changing circumstances. Flexibility is key to staying competitive and achieving rapid financial growth. Networking and mentorship. Expand your network. Continue building relationships with successful individuals in your industry. Attend networking events, join professional organizations, and participate in online communities. Seek mentorship. Maintain relationships with mentors who can provide ongoing guidance and support. Their experience and insights can help you navigate challenges and make informed decisions. Becoming a millionaire in 10 months from nothing is an ambitious goal that requires a combination of the right mindset, strategic planning, disciplined execution, and continuous learning. Remember, the journey to wealth is unique for each individual. Stay focused, remain adaptable, and consistently apply the principles. If you find value in this video, like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more educative information.